Okay, guys, so I got me some cornbread, and of course we got some cupcakes. Here we got our collard greens, a small thing of black eyed peas. We got our meatballs. And of course, we got that good old mac and cheese cooking. New Year's dinner about to be lit. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. Mac and cheese is done. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. Yes. Our rice is boiling, and this is our oil for our chicken that we'll be putting on in a few. Do not mind the mess. I will clean it up away for this. That's what happens when you cook. Messes happen. Oh, look at the rice. The rice is done. Next I gotta make is the chicken, and that's a wrap. Last but not least, our chicken is done.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.